Go ahead, Cody, go. You filming? That's way too slow, dude. Come on, dude. Sit down and do it like she was holding on. Hold on with your legs and your feet. Yeah, like that. And this way you can actually... See, when you're like that, you really can't fall off.
I tried that.
Then you're not strong enough because you don't eat. That's why.
I went on that slide to stay on. Is that going fast? No.
Yeah! All right. Oh my God, he's going to fall all over the place. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Well, yeah, I like him falling.
Wait. Okay, leave him alone. Leave him. Let him. Don't fall, honey. Hold on. Wait. Stay on there for a minute. You okay? Stay on there for a minute till you're okay. Okay. You all right?
Again?
No, not again. Leave him alone. Again? Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Where you going, Coatman?
Ready?
Oh, no. You better hold on this time.
I'm gonna go.
The girls are going to get you crazily dizzy. Ah!
Okay.
Oh, my God. Open your eyes.
No, if I open my eyes, I get dizzy.
Oh, okay. I think you still get dizzy no matter what. Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God, he's going too fast!
No.
Okay, that's enough, that's enough.
I went so fast I pulled myself.
I know, he was flying.
That's what usually...
You okay, Nate? That's crazy. Yeah, that was so funny.